Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling a challenge you all threw our way. Finding AI projects with real social impact, like happening right now. Not just the flashy stuff, but initiatives with the potential to make a real difference. We dug deep, and let me tell you, the research turned up some really amazing things.
Yeah, we've been combing through a ton of AI discussions online, Reddit threads, Discord servers, even those heated Twitter debates, to bring you 5 projects that are really pushing the boundaries of what AI can do for good.
5 projects, huh? That's a good number. So are we ready to dive in? What's first?
You ready? Buckle up. All right, so first up, let's talk about DeepSeek R1. Imagine an AI that can reason through complex problems, on par with or maybe even better than some of the most advanced systems out there.
Okay, that sounds pretty impressive. But what makes it stand out from the crowd? There's a lot of AI out there.
Here's the kicker. It's going to be open source. DeepSeek, an AI company based in China, has developed DeepSeek R1 Lite, and it's already showing incredible performance on some seriously challenging math and logic problems. There's even this famous logic puzzle from Jan LeCun, that one that stumped a lot of AIs. Well, DeepSeek cracked it.
So this AI it's like a code cracking mastermind.
Yeah.
But how does that translate into positive social impact?
Right, good question. Well, by making this powerful model open source, DeepSeek is essentially leveling the playing field in AI research and development. So researchers and developers globally, no matter their resources, will have access to this powerful tool.
So instead of being locked away, in some company's vault, this cutting edge technology is being shared with the world.
That's exactly it.
That's a game changer.
Yeah, it could lead to a much more inclusive and collaborative AI landscape where brilliant minds from all over the globe can contribute to pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
I love the sound of that. So what other exciting projects did you unearth in your research?
Okay, next we're diving into something that could totally transform how we approach research altogether. Okay, ready? A developer has created an AI-powered research assistant using the Ollama platform. And get this, it runs locally on your computer.
So no need to rely on big tech companies or shell out money for expensive software?
Yeah, precisely. You feed it a topic, right? And this AI whiz kid, it scours the internet for you, gathering relevant articles, websites, all sorts of information. And then get this, it goes a step further. It summarizes the key points, organizes everything neatly, and basically hands you a research report on a silver platter.
Wow, so that could be a lifesaver for anyone who's ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information out there. Students, journalists, you name it. No more getting lost in that endless abyss of Google searches.
Yeah, it's all about streamlining that research process and helping people quickly grasp the core insights of a topic. And because it's open source, the potential for, customization and improvement is vast. Think about tailoring it to your specific research needs or adapting it for different fields of study.
Okay, I'm already picturing this AI research buddy helping me with my next deep dive. What else have you got up your sleeve?
All right, now let's take a detour into the world of collaborative storytelling. There's this fascinating project where 10 AI agents, each with its own unique personality and role, are working together to write a novel in real time.
Wait. 10 AI agents are co-writing a book. That sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
It's pretty mind-blowing, right? Yeah. They're using this very advanced language model called Qn 2.5, and the project, it goes beyond just creating an interesting story. It's about exploring how AI can collaborate on complex creative tasks and what that means for the future of creativity itself.
So it's not just a single AI spitting out some pre-programmed story. These agents are actually interacting, bouncing ideas off of each other and shaping the narrative together.
Exactly.
Wow, it definitely has me thinking. This deep dive is full of surprises. Okay, what's next on our AI adventure?
Let's shift gears a little bit. From storytelling to filmmaking, we have CogVideoX 1.5, an open source model that's making waves in the world of image to video AI.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen some of those AI generated videos online, and they could be pretty impressive, but I imagine the technology behind them is pretty expensive, right?
You would think so, but that's what makes Cogvideo X 1.5 so remarkable. It's designed to run on more affordable GPUs, even something like an RTX 3060.
Really? So you're saying aspiring filmmakers, educators, or anyone with a limited budget could use this tool to create high-quality videos. That opens up a world of possibilities.
Absolutely. It's still under development, of course,
Yeah.
but there's a vibrant open source community constantly, working to refine its speed and quality. The potential here is huge. It's empowering a whole new generation of creators to bring their visions to life.
From AI research assistants to AI filmmakers, it's mind-boggling the innovation in this field. What's our final stop on this social impact journey? What else you got?
Okay, our last project tackles a challenge that's often overlooked but has massive implications for research. It's data inconsistency. It's called Harmony, and it's designed to like bridge the gaps in research data using the power of large language models.
Data inconsistency. Okay, I'm intrigued. I'm not sure I follow. Can you elaborate on what you mean by data inconsistency?
Sure. You see, different studies often use like slightly different wording for questions or measure things in different ways. It makes it incredibly difficult to compare results across studies.
Ah, I see. It's like trying to compare apples and oranges,
Yeah.
even when they're supposed to be measuring the same thing.
Exactly. And that's where Harmony steps in. It acts like an AI translator for research data, harmonizing questionnaire items and metadata to make them more comparable.
So instead of researchers spending countless hours like manually trying to reconcile different data sets, they could use Harmony to do the heavy lifting.
Right.
That would free up so much time and energy for actual analysis and discovery.
Exactly. And think about the impact this could have on fields like social science and healthcare, where consistent data is crucial for making informed decisions and driving progress.
From democratizing AI reasoning power to streamlining research, and even harmonizing data. These projects offer a glimpse into a future where AI isn't just about cool technology, but about making a tangible difference in the world. What stands out to you the most about these initiatives?
I think what's truly remarkable is that these projects represent just a small snapshot of the incredible work happening right now in the field of AI for social good. What I find particularly exciting is the emphasis on open source development and collaboration. By making these powerful tools accessible to everyone, we're fostering an environment where innovation can flourish from all corners of the globe.
Yeah, it really feels like we're at this pivotal moment
Yeah.
where we have this opportunity to shape the trajectory of AI
Mm.
and ensure that it's used to benefit, humanity as a whole.
Absolutely. We're not just passive observers in this technological revolution. We have the power to actively shape its course. And that's what makes these AI for social good initiatives so inspiring. They're showcasing the incredible potential of AI to address real world problems and create a more just and equitable world.
Yeah. It's been an incredible journey exploring these projects with you, from open source reasoning models to AI research assistants and collaborative storytelling. AI is clearly breaking down barriers and opening up, these new frontiers in innovation.
And it's just the beginning. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge in fields like healthcare, education, environmental sustainability, you name it.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, what's the one key takeaway you hope our listeners will walk away with?
I think the most important thing to remember is that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill. The future of AI is not, it's not predetermined. It's something we're actively shaping through the choices we make today.
So it's a call to action for all of us to engage with these technologies critically, thoughtfully, and with a deep sense of responsibility.
Exactly. We need to be asking ourselves tough questions about the ethical implications of AI, about how we can ensure that these technologies are developed and deployed in a way that benefits everyone, and about how we can use AI to create a world that's more just, sustainable, and equitable for all.
Well said. It's been an incredibly thought-provoking conversation, and I'm sure our listeners are buzzing with ideas and inspiration. After this deep dive into the world of AI for social good,
We encourage everyone to continue exploring these projects and to seek out other initiatives that are using AI to make a positive impact on the world. The resources and links to all the projects we discussed today are available on our website, so be sure to check those out.
And remember, the future of AI is not something that's, happened to us. It's something we're creating together. So let's harness the power of this technology to build a brighter future for everyone.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI for social good. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.
And remember, the future is ours to shape.